Hello, today we're going to change the oil on a 2019 Toyota Yaris. It's pretty much the same as the 2018 Scion IA. It is, for all intents and purposes, a rebadged Mazda 2. So it has the Mazda 2's 1.5 liter Skyactiv-g engine in it. So sorry about the lighting problems and the shaky footage. It's hard to do one-handed. And the items used for today's oil change. First thing you'll need is the 8mm nut driver to get the screw off for the cover that exposes the drain plug and the filter. 17mm wrench for the drain plug. Some sort of oil filter wrench. This just happens to be a Dorman / Napa M14 drain plug gaskets. Not sponsors, either one. Neither is STP, which is the use of the filter for the day, and the 0W20 oil. Very easy to do. Let's take you underneath. Clearly, obviously, we jacked it up, supported it, and put it on. Put a wheel chock behind it. It's got the plastic cover the whole way down. You just remove that cover. It's one little screw. And you have the oil filter and 17mm plug right there. Very easy access. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna drain it. Put a pan in position. And we're gonna get our wrench on that and loosen her up. Gurgle, gurgle. You want to replace that crush washer when you change the oil. And the part you can get from Napa is a 704-1389. It's an M14. All right, then we remove the oil filter. So you can get a hold of it. Spin it right off there once you get it loose. Ta-da! I'm gonna make sure you got that gasket come with it, and it did. It's on there. Alright, get that new filter ready. I just put the drain plug in. You really didn't need to see me do that. But you just put a little bit of that. Take some of the old oil, smear it on there. Or some of the new oil, don't really matter. Just get some oil on it. That way it don't get stuck when you try to come take it off next time. Alright. And I'm going to do something that some people don't agree with. Some people do, whatever. I'm going to pour some new oil in it.
It's hard to see and record at the same time. Well, I know I'm on there. There we go. And we just go hand tight. We want to be able to remove it later, right? So there, bottom side's done. Plugs in. Just get it snug. That crush washer is going to do the work. And the thing's on. Get that cover ready. And it's a little screw, 8mm. Now I'm going to pour oil in at the top and make sure nothing leaks, and then I'll put that cover back on. Start her up. Alright, capacity is 4.4 quarts. I poured 0.6 quarts into another jug, so what's left should all fit in there. Compelling footage with the oil flowing. Alright, so we check the oil level. And I don't know how well that shows up, but it's right on the full mark if you can see it in real life. Alright, now we're going to put this cover back on. Went ahead and wrote on the filter the miles and the date. That way whoever comes around later, they know what's going on. I don't have enough fingers to grab this. Okay. It just slides on there. Slide it back in position. And stick in the screw. $8mm or Phillips. I started it up, made sure it didn't leak, wrote on the miles. Now I'll go inside and reset the oil monitor. First thing you want to do is go to the home. Bring you to the home screen there. Sorry for the lighting, it just doesn't look well. Turn that little knob at the bottom. Just select the applications. And you go to the maintenance. And you go to oil change. And then reset. And then we want to reset it. Just like that. And you can change the setting interval. I got it at flexible, but basically I have it for 5,000 miles. There you go. It's doing 5,000 miles. So that's it.